All right, ladies and gentlemen, our main polo match this evening, the final polo match this evening is about to start now. The best of the best polo match. Please give a round of applause to welcome these international polo players. I request all the players to please line up. Request all the players to please line up for your formal introduction. So dear spectators, this match is called Best of the Best. And when you hear the names and backgrounds of the polo players, you'll realize that you're watching polo players come to Hyderabad from all across the world. Let me first introduce you to the players in the white shirts turning out for Inhabit Tigers. The team is called Inhabit Tigers. They're turned out in white shirts. Playing at number 1, we have Pierre Amelon. Pierre Amelon from France. Give a round of applause, please, for Pierre Amelon. Also wearing the number 3 shirt is Hugo Bastard. Hugo is also from France. And wearing the number 1 shirt is Brad Rainford. Brad Rainford is an Englishman based in Germany and is now playing polo in India. Look at the international environment. So that was the team before you in white shirts, Pierre Amelon, Hugo Bastard and Brad Rainford. And now let me introduce you to the players of the La Martina Panthers team who are before you in green shirts. Playing at the lead position, we have Miss Erica Gannon-Carr-Sachs from the United States. John Hand, also from the United States of America. And our very own rock star, Saif Attari from Hyderabad. And ladies and gentlemen, in the middle of that lineup, we have the match umpire, Miss Robin Sanchez. Miss Robin Sanchez is the first lady to have become an international polo umpire in the world. She has been an international polo umpire for the last 11 years. Please welcome Miss Robin Sanchez, the first international professional lady polo umpire. I request both the teams to please line up for the throw-in. I may now request Sri Anurag Sharma, the former DGP, in fact the first DGP of the state of Telangana. Sir, could you please throw in the ball to start the game? Let's just wait for the players to line up. Ball in play. The ball is in play now, and it's Erica. Erica taps the ball. Saif Attari picks up the ball. For La Martina Panthers. La Martina Panthers, the first goal. Saif Attari scoring the first goal for La Martina Panthers. Cracking shot there by Brad Rainford. Brad once again taking the ball forward. Inhabit Tigers are playing in the white shirts. Brad strikes the ball, it's moving towards the target. John Hand trying to defend, trying to take the ball in, but the ball has been struck. And this time it is Hugo Bastard who scores for the Inhabit Tigers team. Whistle there by the umpire. Play comes to a stop and the umpire is giving a signal. Let's see the penalty. Okay, it's a penalty in favor of La Martina Panthers. So dear spectators, you just saw Erica teeing up the polo ball. That's the difference between golf and polo. In golf, you have a plastic tee and you place the ball on top of the plastic stand, but in polo, you have to place the ball on the field and you can't dismount the horse. This is Erica who strikes. It's a straight shot. The ball is going towards the target, just misses out a little bit. And Brad Rainford strikes. Another whistle by the umpire. Another whistle by the umpire. And looks like the attacking team is going to get yet another penalty. Is it? Yes, it is. This is a penalty from the 15-yard mark. It's an undefended goal mouth. So chance here for La Martina Panthers to move up on the scoreboard. John Hand approaching. Saif Athari approaching the penalty spot. Saif strikes, the ball slows down and dies before the goal mouth. Very unlucky for Saif and La Martina Panthers. Play call. Brad strikes. And it is Amla. Amla picks up the ball. The ball gets left behind. Once again, John Hand backs the ball. Erica on the ball now. Erica, Gandham Carr strikes. It's a good pass. John Hand. John has a chance. The ball is going close to the goal mouth, but he's being marked there by Brad. And the ball in front, but there's nobody there. Oh, they still have a chance. And there's a whistle from the umpire as Pierre Hamlan was being blocked by John. We have a penalty now, a spot hit in favor of Inhabit Tigers. Brad Rainford picks up the ball, taps, strikes. It's a straight shot. It's going towards the target. Pierre Hamlan has a chance. Pierre strikes the ball right next to the goal mouth, missing it out by just missing it out by inches. And a backhander struck by John. Once again, it is Saif Athari now in attack. Saif misses out. The ball gets left behind. Quick turn by Hugo. Pierre Hamlan. Hooked there by Erica. And a backhander struck by Saif. But nobody from the team there to pick up the backhander. And a whistle from the umpire. The scoreboard even Stevens at 1 goal each. The umpire observed that there was some malfunction in the horse's equipment, and you can see the HPRC ground staff is correcting the girth strap. That is Brad Rainford's horse. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a spot hit, but the umpire has sounded a whistle. Let's wait for the umpire's decision. यहाँ सुनाई दे रहा है कुछ स्पेक्टेटर्स सीटी बजा रहे हैं, लेकिन आप इस बात को ध्यान दीजिए कि घोड़ों को फर्क नहीं पता कि अगर स्पेक्टेटर सीटी में जाते हैं, घोड़े जानते हैं अंपायर कौन है. Oh, spot hit taken by Brad Rainford, but the ball gets deflected off the wall. Quick restart. Erica once again moving the ball up. The ball takes a deflection from Pierre Amlan, and it is Saif Attari who picks up the ball. Saif controlling. Erica, good sharp turn around by Erica. And this is a tussle going on. This is Pierre Amlan. Pierre strikes. Erica once again, and we have a whistle just as Brad Rainford was approaching the ball. And now we have a penalty in favor of Inhabit Tigers. And let's see who's going to take that penalty. Looks like it's going to be Brad. Yes. Brad Rainford taking the penalty for Inhabit Tigers. Strikes, and the ball strikes the target. Inhabit Tigers leads 2-1 now, and once again, a whistle stopping the play. The umpire, Miss Robin Sanchez, signals play by calling play, and we have Erica. Erica strikes. What a strike by Erica! All right, HPRC, good that you have bulletproof glass on the windows there. That was a fine strike by Erica, and now we have Pierre Amla with the next strike, and the ball goes over. The ball goes over and out of the field. Ground staff. Okay, the ball is there. ये पियर आमला ने शॉट मारी थी, इतनी तगड़ी शॉट लगाई, बॉल के ऊपर से उड़ती हुई गई. मेरे ख्याल वहां पे डीजे बैठे हुए हैं, उनको टेंशन हो गई होगी. Spot hit. Play call. Spot hit in favor of La Martira Panthers. Erica once again. Erica strikes. Moves up with the ball. Pierre Hamlan. Pierre also with the backhander. Saif Attari with the ball now. Saif Attari strikes the ball with the next shot. Turns around. Leans out of the saddle. Fails to connect. And we have John Han. Big tussle between the players, and once again a whistle by the umpire. Play call. Brad Rainford getting ready to strike the ball. At a tough angle towards goal mouth. But he strikes, it's a lofted shot. Once again the ball swings to the right and goes towards the corner of the field. Backhander struck by Hugo. The ball still lying deep in the corner. Saif Attari picks up the ball. Saif Attari strikes towards the goal mouth, but Okay, and Saif has a chance. He's turned the ball around. He's turning the ball around completely towards his left flank. Oh, he strikes, but the ball deflects off opponent's legs, and we have Pierre Omlon. Pierre. A backhander. What a lovely pass given by Erica. A chance there for John Hand, but a nice clearance there for Pierre Omlon. And Pierre once again picks it up. John Hand with the backhander. Stops the ball right there, but now we have Brad Rainford. Brad strikes, but none of his teammates down the line of the ball. Pierre Omlon dispossessed there by Erica. Erica strikes. It's a nice shot by Erica. The ball being picked up once again by Pierre. Erica on the ball now. Just about a minute and a half play left in this first chukker. This is a 3-chukker match. Inhabit Tigers leading 2-1. We have now another penalty in favor of Inhabit Tigers. There we have it. The umpire has placed the ball on the penalty spot. This is a penalty, an undefended goal mouth penalty in favor of Inhabit Tigers. Chance here for the teams in white. Play call. Brad Rainford approaching the penalty spot. And he strikes, but the ball goes wide. He struck the ball hard from the penalty spot, but unfortunately missed out. And we now have Hugo Bastar strikes the ball right in front of the goal mouth. Erica backs it and saves the moment once again for La Martina. And this time, John Hand struck. Pierre Omlon with a backhander. Brad Rainford picks up the ball. Brad still in possession. Brad is in possession. He's being marked there by Saif. And we have another whistle. Let's wait for the umpire's decision. We're just waiting for the umpire's decision once again. That Rainford's knee guard, which had fallen on the field. Ladies and gentlemen, it is mandatory for all polo players to wear a knee guard and a helmet during every polo match. The umpire had stopped play. Well, in that moment, the umpire has called the end of chukker number 1 with Inhabit Tigers in the lead with 2-1. The players are now dismounting from their horses and getting ready to mount fresh. And it is Erica who once again moves the ball forward, and now we have Arsalan Khan Arsalan playing at the number 3 position for La Martina Panthers. In place of Saif Atari, we have a substitute. Arsalan with a backhander. That was John Hand who scored the goal with a backhander. Equalizer for La Martina Panthers, scored by John Hand. We now have Brad Rainford. Brad moves the ball up. Once again, John Hand on the ball, being followed by Erica. And Arsalan behind. Erica picks up the ball with a near side tap. Erica on the ball, in attack for La Martina Panthers. Erica strikes, and what a strike! But the ball went a few inches wide. No addition to the score line there. This is Brad Rainford once again. Brad Rainford getting ready, waiting for his player to move up. It is Pierre Amlon who has a chance, but Arsalan is there. Pierre strikes, the ball goes wide. And now we have Brad Rainford who comes back on the ball. He strikes his right in front, and Erica backs the ball, moves it away. The backhander struck by... Oh, you have it. This is Pierre Amlon who scores. Inhabit Tigers scored goal number 3 by Pierre Amlon. Pierre. And a backhander struck by Arsalan. Once again, Brad Rainford steadying the ball up. He's being marked by Erica. Brad Rainford getting ready to strike, and he strikes the lofted strike. The ball strikes a billboard there. Arsalan takes it away from the striking zone. A backhander struck by Pierre. Once again, a chance here. That is Hugo who was hooked. And Erica saves the moment for La Martina Panthers. The ball gets left behind. Players overriding. Arsalan on the ball now. Arsalan Khan. Arsalan is a star player of Indian polo. This is Arsalan Khan who picks up the ball. Erica with the backhander turns the ball around. Clever work there by John Hand. He turns around. John taps the ball. Pierre Amla on the ball, and we have a whistle. Let's wait for the umpire's decision. Penalty in favor of La Martina Panthers. Ball is set at the 15-yard mark. And now we have Arsalan Khan getting ready to strike for La Martina Panthers. With a half swing, he strikes. It goes straight onto the target. Goal number 2 for La Martina Panthers. Okay, that was goal number 3. Brad Rainford strikes. The ball is going straight towards the target. It just stops. And a clearance coming from Erica just in time. The scoreboard remains at 3 goals each. Arsalan Khan on the ball now. Arsalan strikes and gives a pass. John Hand is there. And a backhander struck by Pierre Amlon. A foul signaled by the umpire, and we have a penalty in favor of La Martina Panthers. Arsalan Khan teeing up the ball at the penalty spot. Arsalan Khan getting ready to strike for La Martina Panthers with a half swing. He strikes and scores. Goal number 4. अरे एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हैदराबाद के सितारे के लिए. Arsalan Khan scoring goal number 4 for La Martina Panthers. Now we have a penalty for Inhabit Tigers. The ball goes a little wide, the ball takes a deflection, comes back, and we have another whistle from the umpire. Let's wait for the umpire's decision. Play call, 3 minutes and 25 seconds of play left. Arsalan picks up the ball. Brad Rainford takes the ball away from Arsalan. Both of them fighting hard for possession. It is Pierre Omlo who takes the ball. He's been hooked by Erica. The ball landing right in front of the goal mouth, and Brad Rainford once again. Pierre with a backhander. Strikes it far and clear away from the target zone, and a backhander this time coming from John Han. Hugo not able to strike, and we have Erica on the ball. Erica strikes for a deflection, gets it. Clever work there by Erica, and now we have Arsalan Khan who picks up the ball once again for La Martina Panthers. Arsalan Khan in attack. He's being hooked there by Brad. The ball of the goal mouth, a whistle. The umpire signaled a foul before the goal was touched by the ball, but let's wait for the umpire's decision. The scoreboard still reading 4-3 in favor of La Martina Panthers. Play call, spotted, taken by Inhabit Tigers. Pierre Omlo, and a whistle. Sometimes the players like to clarify the situation with the umpire. The umpire, Ms. Robin Sanchez, is clarifying the situation to the players of Inhabit Tigers. And now a spot hit has been awarded to La Martina Panthers. Erica taps and strikes the ball ahead. Pierre Omlo with a backhander turns the ball around in favor of Inhabit Tigers. Now we have backhander struck by John Han. Just about 20 seconds of play left, and a nice long strike there by Brad Rainford. A chance here, Pierre Omlo right in front, and Pierre strikes and scores the equalizer for Inhabit Tigers. And with that, we come to the end of chakra number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, the scoreboard reading 4 goals each. 4 for Inhabit Tigers, 4 in favor of La Martina Panthers, and the players dismounting from their horses. We'll take a short break as the players will now... Fatari saves strikes for La Martina Panthers right in front of the goal mouth. There's Arsalan. Arsalan is now playing for the Inhabit Tigers team. Oh, what a lovely strike by Erica. The ball once again coming to a halt right in front, and Brad Rainford saves the moment for Inhabit Tigers. John Hand turns the ball around. Ball struck by Arsalan. It's been picked up by Pierre Amlon. A backhander by Saif Attari, and John Hand once again. John Hand strikes. You saw the ball striking the scoreboard. Dear spectators, that's the reason why when a polo match is going on, keep your eyes on the ball. प्यारे दोस्तों, आपने देखा ना बॉल किस तरीके से उड़ के गई और स्कोर बोर्ड पे लग गई. इसीलिए पोलो मैच जब चल रहा होता है ना, तो मोबाइल फोन को आप सुला दीजिए, साइड में रख के सुला दो मोबाइल फोन को, और अपनी आंखों को जो है ना मैदान पे ही रखिए, पोलो बॉल को देखते रहिए. Players getting ready once again. The umpire has signaled a spot hit. Spot hit for Inhabit Tigers, struck by Brad Rainford. The ball takes a deflection. Pierre Amlon on the ball with a half swing. He strikes. Chance here. Brad Rainford on the ball now. In he strikes and scores. Goal number 5. That was goal number 5 for Inhabit Tigers. Arsalan Khan on the ball now. Arsalan Khan picks up the ball. He's tapping, keeping the ball in control. Arsalan strikes. He's moved the ball up to Pierre Amlon. Pierre strikes. The ball goes. And it is goal number 6. प्यारे बच्चों, देखा आपकी चीयरिंग से कितना जोश बढ़ गया है प्लेयर्स का. ये देखो एक बार फिर से. Oh, a whistle. All right, dear friends, the play is about to start. And looks like it's going to be Erica to take the penalty strike. Ganukar Sachs strikes. The ball is slowing down. It's going a little wide and it slows down. Stops before the goal mouth, and we have Brad Rainford. Once again, Brad Rainford strikes for Inhabit Tigers. Just over 4 minutes of play left. The ball has been picked up now by Pierre Amlon. Pierre, marked there by Erica, dispossessed. And Arsalan Khan. Arsalan has picked up the ball now for Inhabit Tigers. Arsalan on the ball. Arsalan hooked and dispossessed by Erica. Arsalan with a backhander. Arsalan in possession. Arsalan in attack. He's right in front of goal mouth and he strikes and scores. Goal number 7. Goal number 7 for Inhabit Tigers, scored by Arsalan Khan. And we have a whistle from the umpire stopping the play. Play called. Erica taps. Starts off with an attack for the La Martina Panthers team. Erica being hooked there by Pierre. The ball gets left behind. It is Saif Attari who picks up the ball. Saif Attari, a backhander from Pierre. Arsalan Khan on the ball now. Arsalan Being marked by Saif Attari. Arsalan picks up the ball. Saif Attari marking and with the backhander. We've got a chance here. Pierre Hamlon going. Defense takes the ball away. Nice strike there by Brad Rainford. And the ball is being picked up by Pierre Hamlon. And he's right in front. No, misses the mark. Clearance coming from Erica. Chance still there. And we have a whistle. Spot hit for the defending team. Erica getting ready to strike. 2 minutes and 54 seconds of play left in this third and final chukker. La Martina Panthers have 3 goals to score if they want to equalize the scoreboard. It is Erica on the ball with a backhander. She strikes. Saif picks up the ball. Saif on the ball. The ball gets deflected towards the center line. It's Erica with a backhander and she scores! What a strike by Erica. Ganupkar Sachs strikes. The ball is slowing down. It's going. Ganupkar Sachs strikes. The ball is slowing down. It's going. Erica. We now have Brad Rainford once again hitting a long strike. It's been picked up by Arsalan Khan. Pierre Hamlon right in front and he scores goal number 8. Brad Rainford in possession. Ball picked up by Erica. Well, the umpire has stated that this was not a goal. Erica about to strike the ball. Erica getting ready, charging towards the ball. She strikes and gallops towards the goal mouth. Erica in attack. Brad picks up the ball with a backhander. Erica approaching the ball. John Han. John taps the ball. He's got space in front. But we have Brad Rainford right in front with a backhander and Erica now approaching. Arsalan clears the ball from the strike zone. Arsalan Khan picks up the ball for Inhabit Tigers. It is Arsalan Khan. The ball gets left behind Saif Attari. Saif Attari is on the ball now. Trying to turn the ball around for La Martina Panthers. He taps. The ball is being picked up by Amlin. Amlin misses out. Hook there. Erica on the ball. Erica digs the ball out of the sand. Ball right under her pony. And it is Brad Rainford. 45 seconds of play left. 2-goal difference between the two sides. Brad strikes and this time Pierre strikes, but the ball goes and strikes the scoreboard to addition to the score line. 30 seconds. Spot hit for La Martina Panthers. John Han strikes the ball, takes it down the center line. Arsalan with the backhander, turns the ball around. Erica stops quickly, picks up the ball. Just 15 more seconds of play left in this match. Erica taking the ball forward, a backhander from Erica. La Martina Panthers once again tapping. And this is Arsalan Khan, but the ball gets left behind. That is the end of Chakra number 3 and the end of the best polo match, ladies and gentlemen. The scoreboard reads in favor of Inhabit Tigers, 7 goals to 5. Inhabit Tigers beating La Martina Panthers to win this match.